Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a review video on this little Eureka vacuum that I got. So I was really struggling hardcore with the vacuum situation. My whole downstairs is hardwood floors or tile. When we first moved in, I had a Shark vacuum, which worked really great on carpet, not good on hard floors. There was a hard floor setting, but it did not pick up the way I wanted it to. There was stuff left over. The suction was not great. So then I moved to a Bissell vacuum, and again, not great on the hard floors. After that, I mean, it was fine on the carpet, but not on the hard floors. And then after that, I tried a like $50 Amazon vacuum, like an Amazon home brand vacuum, which was the worst of the three. So I was feeling some serious frustration with my vacuum situation. So I got on Amazon and I am on a budget, so I'm looking and I find this little Eureka vacuum for 30 bucks and it has good reviews. So, and it's specifically made for hard floors. So I'm like, sweet, I'm going to try this out. And I've had it for almost a year now. And oh my gosh, you guys, I love it so much. It is out of the three, it's the cheapest, the three that I tried before, the cheapest, and also works the best. So I wanted to do a review video for you guys. I'm all about saving money, getting the most bang for your buck. So I want to share this with you guys so you're not going to spend $150 on a vacuum that might not even work on your hard floors. So I'm going to try to set this up right now, this camera, so I can kind of show you the features of the vacuum first. Alright, so this is what the vacuum looks like. It's a Eureka. So it looks just like a regular vacuum, nothing spectacular about it. This is the canister part of it. So one of the things that I really like about this vacuum is it's super, super lightweight. Like, look at this. So lightweight. Also designed for hard floors. Like I said, there's no brush roll. And so this is where everything goes in at right here. It moves really smoothly and also has a swivel. So this part right here swivels, which makes it really nice to get around. Also, this part comes off. Okay, there we go. This part comes off, and you can use it like this and just suck something up really quick, or it comes with an attachment piece, and you can attach this, and then now you have a handheld. I like to use that on my stairs, and then also this comes off. So then this is what it looks like this. So this is, like I said, super handy for stairs, or if you need to get in the corner of something, this is really nice to have. Mostly I use this as just a regular vacuum, but I do use the other parts as well. So those are the things that I really like about this. So there are a few things that I'm like not a huge fan of, but they're pretty minor in my book, that I'm definitely willing to put up with these things because I love how this vacuum works. I think it works really good. So the one thing is the canister is pretty small. So we have pets and kids, so the canister fills up. Usually after I do my whole downstairs, I have to empty the canister. Whereas maybe another vacuum, every couple of times you have to empty it. Again, I don't really think that's that big of a deal. Another thing that is kind of like iffy if you have a big house, the cord is not super long. So when I move from room to room, I have to unplug it and then plug it in the next room. But I feel like that's a first world problem, hardcore. So I don't really think that that's that big of a deal. But yeah, I will show you guys this vacuum in work or in use and show you how well it sucks. So this room we recently cleaned up. The floor has not been done though. So I want to show you guys this vacuum in use to suck some of this small stuff up so you guys can see. Yeah, suck that up pretty easily. Some of this stuff is like on the floor that's gonna have to be mopped up, so like that's why it's not getting like picked up necessarily. But I feel like this gets everything really well. There's some crackers over there. Yeah, it sucks up stuff really, really good. I have absolutely no complaints about the suction power of this vacuum. So like I said before, this room also needs to be mopped. So there's some stuff that like actually needs to be scrubbed off the floor. But as for the loose pieces, all of the loose debris on the floor is easily swept up. And then also like the hose feature gets down in the crevices and in the corners really, really well. Love this vacuum, you guys, and I'm all about saving money. And why pay so much money for a vacuum that's not even gonna vacuum on your hardwood floors or your tile, linoleum, whatever? I do not want to pay that much for a vacuum that's not even gonna work. Save yourself some money, get on Amazon, buy a $30 Eureka vacuum for your floors, and I promise you, you're going to be so happy with this vacuum. So if you have any questions, anything that I didn't cover, ask in the comments and I will try to explain the best I can. I will also include the link in the description for the vacuum so you guys can go check that out or purchase it if you're interested. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching, guys.